Top 10 Fascinating Facts About Elephants. Dive into the most amazing secrets of elephants, from their complex infrasonic communication to their deep intelligence and emotional sensitivity. In this brief but thrilling journey, we'll unveil 10 curiosities that will make you see these gentle giants in a new light. Get ready to be fascinated by elephants like never before. Number 10. Extended gestation. The gestation of elephants is a fascinating and unique phenomenon in the animal kingdom, lasting up to 22 months, which represents the longest gestation period among all terrestrial mammals. This extended intrauterine development time ensures that newborn elephants are remarkably advanced in terms of physical and cognitive development. At birth, a baby elephant can weigh up to 120 kilograms and possesses considerable mental agility, which is crucial for quickly integrating into the complex social structure of the herd and navigating its intricate natural environment. The long gestation of elephants is intrinsically linked to their size and longevity. These terrestrial giants can live up to 70 years in the wild, and their body size requires prolonged development both in the uterus and during infancy and adolescence. This extended period allows for the complete development of the brain, which is essential for the survival of the elephant, given its reliance on memory and social learning to find food and water, as well as to understand its position within the complex social hierarchy of the herd. The herd plays a crucial role during pregnancy and childbirth, providing protection and support to the mother. The cohesion and social structure of elephants allow this long gestation period to be successful, ensuring the survival and care of the young in their first and most vulnerable years of life. This support system not only reflects the importance of family and social bonds among elephants but also underscores the sophisticated social organization they have developed. The prolonged gestation period of elephants is a wonderful example of how evolution has shaped the reproductive strategies of different species to adapt to their unique environments and lifestyles. In the case of elephants, it results in highly developed offspring, capable of walking shortly after birth and quickly integrating into the social and environmental dynamics of their herd. This trait, although requiring a significant investment of time and energy from the mother, is fundamental for the maintenance of the complex social structure and the survival of the species. Number 9. Long-distance communication. The communication ability of elephants is astonishingly sophisticated, extending far beyond what the human ear can capture. Using infrasound, low-frequency sounds that are below the audible range for humans, elephants can communicate over distances of up to 10 kilometers. These low-frequency sounds have the advantage of traveling long distances through the ground, allowing elephants to stay in touch with herd members who are far away or coordinate movements with other herds in their vast environment. This form of communication is essential for their survival, as it allows them to share crucial information about water sources, food, the presence of predators, or gather for social and mating purposes. The production of infrasounds involves the elephant's complex respiratory system, which uses its long trunk and larynx to generate these deep vibrations. Research has indicated that elephants can have long-distance conversations, responding to infrasound calls with their emissions. This exchange allows elephants to coordinate their activities over great distances, a skill especially useful in the vast territories they traverse searching for food and water. The elephant's trunk, an extremely versatile organ, plays an important role in amplifying these sounds. In addition to being a vital tool for feeding, drinking, and the sense of smell, the trunk acts as an amplifier for these low-frequency sounds, allowing elephants to communicate effectively over large expanses of terrain. This sophisticated form of communication highlights the complexity of elephant social interactions and their evolutionary adaptation to the extensive African and Asian ecosystems. The ability of elephants to communicate over great distances is a testament to their intelligence and the complexity of their social lives, underscoring the importance of preserving these magnificent animals and their natural habitats. Through this underground communication, elephants maintain herd cohesion and strengthen their social bonds, which is crucial for their survival and well-being. Number 8. Exceptional memory. The famous phrase, "an elephant never forgets," has a real foundation in the remarkable cognitive ability of these giants. Elephants possess one of the largest brains in the animal kingdom, not only in terms of absolute size but also in relation to their body. This large brain facilitates exceptional memory and intelligence, crucial tools for survival in their complex social and natural environments. The ability to remember specific locations of water sources and food is vital, especially during periods of drought when these resources become scarce. Elephant memory also plays a fundamental role in the formation and maintenance of their complex social structures. They can remember friends and foes for years, which is essential for interactions within their herd and with other herds. This ability to remember and recognize other individuals helps maintain social cohesion, manage conflicts, and facilitate cooperation among herd members. Moreover, elephants use their memory to learn and pass on knowledge across generations. Matriarchs, usually the oldest and most experienced of the group, act as leaders, guiding their herd through vast and complicated territories. They pass on their knowledge to the younger generations, teaching them where to find food and water, which routes are safe, and how to avoid dangers. Elephants' ability to remember traumatic experiences or threats is also notable. Studies have shown they can develop specific responses to predators or humans based on their experiences, underscoring the importance of a respectful coexistence between humans and elephants. The exceptional memory of elephants is a testament to their complex emotional and social lives. This ability is not only a survival mechanism but also enriches the relationships within their herds, once again demonstrating the depth and complexity of their lives. This impressive cognitive trait underscores the importance of protecting these majestic animals and their habitats, allowing them to continue sharing their ancestral wisdom and strengthening the social bonds that are fundamental to their well-being. Number 7. Grieving capacity. Elephants are deeply social and emotional beings, known for their impressive displays of grief and compassion. When a member of the herd dies, elephants are observed engaging in behaviors that suggest a deep capacity for mourning, a complex emotional trait that was thought to be exclusive to humans and a few non-human animals. Elephants approach the lifeless body, gently touching it with their trunks, and remain around it for hours or even days, in a behavior that scientists interpret as a vigil. This behavior is not limited to members of their herd. Elephants show similar curiosity and respect for the remains of unknown elephants. Attempts to bury the dead have even been observed, covering the bodies with soil and leaves. These actions suggest an understanding of death and an experience of loss that is remarkably sophisticated. The grieving capacity of elephants underscores the depth of their social bonds. The loss of a herd member affects the entire group, leading to changes in their behavior and social dynamics. The herd may appear visibly distressed and may bellow or emit low sounds in mourning, which also serves to reaffirm the bonds among the surviving members. These mourning behaviors demonstrate not only the emotional complexity of elephants but also their capacity to experience feelings such as grief, love, and compassion. This understanding of elephant emotions challenges our traditional perceptions of intelligence and animal consciousness and underscores the need to consider these aspects of their conservation and well-being. Through their capacity to experience mourning, elephants teach us valuable lessons about the importance of relationships and the profound impact of loss, highlighting even further the depth of their emotional and social lives. Number 6. Versatile use of the trunk. An elephant's trunk is a marvel of nature, an extraordinary fusion of the nose and upper lip, extended and transformed into an extremely versatile and powerful organ. This unique structure consists of about 40,000 individual muscles, giving elephants exceptional control and considerable strength. Its versatility is such that it can be used for a wide range of functions, from brute force to delicate tasks. The trunk allows the elephant to perform tasks of great strength, such as stripping bark from trees, lifting heavy logs, or even overturning large objects. However, it is also capable of manipulating minimal objects with surprising precision, such as picking up a single leaf or fruit from the ground. This ability to handle both large and small objects is crucial for elephants feeding and foraging, allowing them to access various foods in their environment. In addition to its role in feeding, the trunk acts as an important sensory organ. Elephants can smell and detect water several kilometers away, a vital ability for their survival in the vast and often arid habitats they inhabit. The trunk is also crucial for communication. Elephants use it to make sounds, such as greetings or warning calls, and for social touch, strengthening bonds within the herd through touches and caresses. Another fascinating use of the trunk is its function as a snorkel. When elephants cross deep bodies of water, they can breathe normally while swimming, keeping their trunk above the water's surface. This behavior not only underscores the adaptability of elephants to different environments but also the extraordinary multifunctionality of their trunk. The trunk, therefore, is not just a survival tool but a symbol of the adaptive intelligence and emotional complexity of elephants. Their ability to use the trunk in such diverse and creative ways highlights the sophistication of these creatures and their uniqueness in the animal kingdom. This extraordinary adaptation is a testament to evolution, designing a tool that is both practical and expressive, allowing elephants to interact with their world in a meaningful and complex way. Number 5. Protective yet sensitive skin. At first glance, an elephant's skin appears to be the epitome of toughness, a thick and wrinkled barrier designed to withstand the rigors of the environment they live in. However, this outward perception hides a surprising reality. An elephant's skin is incredibly sensitive. Despite being up to 2.5 centimeters thick in some areas, their skin is susceptible to insect bites and sunburn, demonstrating a complex duality between strength and sensitivity. To combat these challenges, elephants have developed unique behaviors that allow them to protect their sensitive skin. One of the most notable is mud bathing. Elephants immerse themselves in mud pits or use their trunks to spray themselves with mud, which, when dried, forms a protective layer against the sun's rays and parasites. This mud acts not only as sunscreen and insect repellent, but also as a method to cool their bodies, regulating their temperature in the hot African and Asian habitats. Additionally, elephants dust bathe. They throw dirt, sand, or dust over themselves using their trunk, which helps to dry the mud and form an additional layer of protection. This behavior is not only practical, but also offers a fascinating spectacle, highlighting the intelligence of these animals and their ability to use the resources available in their environment for their personal care. An elephant's skin also plays an important role in social communication and affection. The caresses and touches between individuals, often concentrated on more sensitive areas like behind the ears and around the mouth, strengthen the social bonds within the herd. This tactile sensitivity underscores the complexity of their social interactions and the depth of their relationships. The unique structure of elephant skin, with its folds and wrinkles, not only increases its surface area, facilitating heat release, but also retains mud and dust, maximizing the effectiveness of these protective behaviors. This adaptation is a testament to evolution, ensuring that elephants can thrive in their diverse habitats, despite the apparent vulnerabilities presented by their sensitive skin. This balance between protection and sensitivity is another example of the extraordinary adaptation of elephants to their environment, showing once again their complexity and intelligence in managing their well-being. Number 4. Pathmakers. Elephants, with their imposing presence and formidable size, play a vital role in shaping their ecosystems, acting as true engineers of nature. As they move through dense jungles and savannas, they create paths that cut through the vegetation, facilitating access for other animals that otherwise could not traverse these areas. This behavior is not only a testament to the strength and determination of elephants, but also to their ecological importance in preserving the biodiversity of their habitats. The creation of these paths is a natural process resulting from the daily activities of elephants searching for food and water. By knocking down trees and shrubs, they access the resources they need and alter the landscape, opening clearings that allow sunlight to reach the forest floor. This change in the vegetal structure encourages the growth of a diversity of herbaceous plants, which in turn attract various animal species, thus enriching the ecosystem's biodiversity. In addition to opening physical paths in the vegetation, elephants are key seed dispersers, further contributing to the health and diversity of their environment. By feeding on a wide range of plants, they transport seeds over great distances through their digestive system, which are then deposited in new locations through their feces. This seed dispersal process is crucial for the regeneration of many plant species, some of which depend exclusively on elephants for their dispersal. The influence of elephants on their ecosystems goes beyond merely creating paths and seed dispersal. Their ability to modify the landscape can affect water resource availability, creating ponds and depressions that collect water during the rainy season. These bodies of water benefit elephants and provide vital resources for other animals during dry periods. The role of elephants as pathmakers and their overall ecological role underscore the intricate connection between these majestic animals and the health of their ecosystems. The conservation of elephants is, therefore, essential not only for their survival but also for maintaining vibrant and diverse ecosystems that depend on their daily activities. These gentle giants, with their ability to shape and enrich their environment, demonstrate the profound interdependence of life on our planet, reminding us of the importance of protecting both elephants and the rich habitats they inhabit. Number 3. Vibration-sensitive feet. Elephants' sensitivity to ground vibrations is an extraordinary adaptation that allows them to communicate and survive in their vast habitats. Through specialized sensors in their feet, they can detect vibrations and low-frequency sounds produced by other elephants many kilometers away. This ability allows them to pick up warning signals, find water, and even perceive natural threats such as storms or seismic movements before they are evident to other animals. Elephants generate these low-frequency vibrations not only through their vocalizations, but also by stomping on the ground with their massive feet. These signals travel through the ground more efficiently than through the air, allowing elephants to communicate over long distances without the sound dissipating. This form of communication is crucial for maintaining social cohesion within the herd and coordinating their movements across the vast landscape. The bone structure of elephants' feet plays a crucial role in detecting these vibrations. Their feet contain a special fatty tissue that acts as a shock absorber, allowing elephants to feel ground vibrations more acutely. This tissue helps transmit the signals through their limbs and to their inner ear, where they are processed and understood. This perception of ground vibrations is vital for their survival, especially in environments where access to water can be sporadic and threats, both from predators and extreme weather conditions, can arise unexpectedly. By being able to detect the presence of water or the approach of a herd, elephants can make informed decisions about where to head to meet their needs or avoid dangers. Elephants' ability to detect and respond to these vibrations underscores the complexity of their communication systems and their adaptation to the environments in which they live. This sensitivity is not only a testament to their deep connection with the natural world, but also to the biological sophistication they have developed to navigate and thrive in their habitats. Through this understanding of their environment, elephants once again demonstrate their extraordinary intelligence and the importance of their conservation, as they play a crucial role not only in the social dynamics of their herds but also in the health and balance of the ecosystems they inhabit. Number 2. Ecological importance. Elephants play an irreplaceable role in their ecosystems, functioning as true landscape engineers and guardians of biodiversity. Their impact on the environment extends far beyond their imposing physical presence. Through their feeding habits and movement patterns, they significantly influence the structure and composition of forests and savannas. By feeding on a wide variety of vegetation, from grasses and shrubs to large trees, elephants actively modify their environment, creating open spaces that allow less dominant plant and animal species to flourish. This feeding behavior not only maintains the balance between different types of vegetation but also helps control the density of the forest canopy, which can prevent devastating wildfires. The clearings created by elephants by knocking down trees and removing vegetation favor the growth of a diversity of herbaceous plants, essential for the diet of numerous small and medium-sized herbivores. Thus, elephants act as custodians of ecological diversity, ensuring that multiple species can coexist and thrive. The importance of elephants is also reflected in their role as seed dispersers. Many plants depend on elephants to transport their seeds over great distances, often to optimal locations for germination, thanks to the elephant's digestive process that helps break the hard seed cover. This ecological service is vital for forest regeneration and habitat expansion, underscoring the role of elephants in maintaining healthy and resilient ecosystems. Moreover, the water and mud baths practiced by elephants contribute to the creation and maintenance of water sources for other animals. The footprints of elephants can form small depressions that collect rainwater, becoming vital water points during the dry season for a wide range of species. Conservation of elephants is, therefore, crucial not only for their survival but also for the overall well-being of the ecosystems they inhabit. Protecting elephants means preserving the ecological integrity and biodiversity of vast areas of land, demonstrating the profound interconnection between a single species and the global health of the planet. As we face global environmental challenges, protecting elephants emerges as a cornerstone of conservation efforts, reminding us of the importance of living in accordance with nature and protecting its greatest guardians. Number 1. Intelligence comparable to primates and cetaceans. The intelligence of elephants is among the most remarkable in the animal kingdom, with cognitive abilities that rival and even surpass those of other animals considered highly intelligent, such as some primates and cetaceans. This advanced intelligence is manifested through a series of complex behaviors and cognitive skills, including self-awareness, empathy, teaching, cooperation, and tool use. Elephants are one of the few species on the planet that have passed the mirror test, an experiment designed to assess self-awareness, demonstrating that they can recognize themselves in a reflection. The social intelligence of elephants is particularly impressive. They live in matriarchal societies, where knowledge is passed down from generation to generation, mainly through the matriarchs, who act as the guardians of the herd's collective knowledge. These leaders teach the younger generations migratory routes, locations of water sources, and how to use tools, such as branches, to swat insects or scratch themselves. Cooperation is another crucial aspect of their social intelligence. Elephants work together to solve problems and assist herd members in need, demonstrating a level of empathy and emotional understanding rarely seen in the animal kingdom. They have been observed comforting others in times of stress or pain, using gentle touches and calming vocalizations. Elephants' use of tools also evidences their intelligence. Although not as frequent as in other intelligent species, elephants have shown the ability to use objects in their environment creatively to reach food, self-groom, and self-defend. These actions require not only a physical understanding of the world around them, but also the ability to plan and execute actions with a specific goal in mind. The intelligence of elephants, however, goes beyond mere problem-solving or environmental manipulation. It is deeply reflected in their emotional lives and in their capacity to form lasting social bonds, mourn their dead, and celebrate social gatherings. These behaviors indicate a level of consciousness and psychological complexity that challenges our ideas about animal intelligence and underscores the need to protect these sensitive and intelligent beings. Conservation of elephants, therefore, is vital not only for maintaining the ecological balance of their habitats but also for preserving a species that demonstrates rich and complex intelligence and emotional life. Protecting elephants in their natural environments is a reflection of our respect for intelligence and sensitivity in the animal kingdom, and a crucial step towards understanding and valuing the diversity of life on Earth. The existence of elephants challenges our perceptions of what it means to be intelligent, reminding us of the wonderful complexity of the natural world and our place within it.